Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cute basket of apples card. For this card I used the combination of the Sweetest Cherries bundle, which includes this stamp set and the Cherry Builder Punch, as well as the Cheerful Basket bundle, which includes the Cheerful Basket stamp set and full basket dies. They are super fun because you can either stamp the basket or you can cut out the basket and put it together. It even has a bit of wood grain embossing on the die itself, as well as this little picnic napkin has this cute embossing on it as well. So for this card, I started by using one of the Tea Boutique cards and envelopes packs, and I decided to use the Orchid Oasis color. I also used a stitched rectangle die that I got from my previous card, and I'm going to stamp the sentiment in Orchid Oasis. This is one of my favorite sentiments. You fill my day with happiness. Now I have the basket mostly assembled here, so I'm just gonna finish assembling the basket by gluing on this last little piece here. So there's the main piece that has the embossing, the wood grain embossing, and then these three strips fit on the basket, and then the whole basket can be glued onto the background. Now I'm gonna stamp the apples and the leaves. I'm gonna use Sweet Sorbet for the apples and a strip of Sweet Sorbet. So I'm just going to go ahead and ink this up, and I'm gonna ink it up 3 times. And I'm gonna space them out a little bit so that when I punch, I don't punch close to any of my apples. Now I'm going to stamp some leaves in Granny Apple Green. So now I can punch out my leaves with the punch. So I just line it up and punch my 3 leaves out. So I've got my 3 leaves here. Now I'm gonna punch out my apples. So now I've got my apples. So now I'm going to start putting together the card. So all of these are going to go on dimensionals, and I've also punched out a couple of stems. I've also cut out this Orchid Oasis little piece. Okay, I'm ready to put everything together. So just going to put this in the middle, and then we have our basket. Then we have our basket, and I've strategically placed dimensionals around so that we can fit all of our apples inside. So we'll put our apples in the basket, and you could do peaches or blueberries or green apples. There's a lot of possibilities. And then for the stems, I'm going to stick them to the apple. And then I can do the cute little napkin and the dimensionals and the leaves. And there we have our cute little basket of apples card. So I'm offering a free card class when you purchase either bundle, and it will include this card and the Sweet Cherries card and a basket of kittens card. You can also place a $40 order using my current host code, and then just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching my video on the Cheerful basket and the Sweetest Cherries bundle. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I would love it if you would like my video and leave a comment, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.